Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play a YouTube video on a background even your phone is locked. So it is a pretty quick and easy method. So without waste your time, let's get started. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. First, go to your setting, search video assistant. In some mobile they can say a video toolbox. You can search just only video toolbox and click this. The setting may be different and depend on your model. Then you can see the video assistant feature. Just allow which app you play in a background. So click Google TV, Netflix, Vista Player, YouTube, and then even you add another apps. I just choose only these. Then go back, open your YouTube. So I click any video just like this and swipe left. Then you can see the option play in the background. I just click play in the. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.